So today's video is a little different. No bacteria, no cleaning tools, no petri dishes, just me talking about a decision that I made. I want to make a quick channel update because some upcoming videos are going to be a little bit different from the ones I usually make. You've probably noticed that my channel is rather data driven. When I'm testing a cleaning product, I don't just say, "Oh, I think it works good." I actually show you how well it works. I give you measurable information. When I'm testing a product for bacteria removal, I show you how much bacteria is on a surface before using the product and after using the product, and I let the data tell the story. That approach is just kind of how my brain works. So I started not feeling very well, and I had my yearly appointment with my primary care provider, and we went over some blood results, and they weren't really that good. So I decided I should probably take the same approach that I do for my channel, showing measurable information before and afters, and apply it to my health journey. If you're new here, I normally test cleaning products, cleaning tools, and do bacteria testing. And I'm absolutely going to continue doing this testing. That most certainly is not going away. This health journey is just an addition to my usual content. The health journey content will live on its own playlist, so it's easy to find if you want to see it, and it's easy to skip if it's not for you. But for those of you who do follow along, I think you're going to find it really interesting, because the same sort of approach that I take to cleaning products, showing the data, befores and after, I'm just going to apply that to a human being. And that human being is me. So that's what's coming. If you want to follow along, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and the first data video is coming soon where I will explain what I'm tracking and why. Then my journey is gonna begin. If the cleaning content is your thing and you're not interested in watching a measurable health journey, that's okay. I'll just see you in the next cleaning video. Either way, thank you so very much for your support. I have an awful lot of work to do.